Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Bluehost. It's one of the most popular web hosting providers in the world and has been used to power millions of websites globally. But with so many website builders and hosting platforms available today, the big question is Bluehost still worth it in 2026? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Bluehost. So let's get started. Bluehost is a web hosting company that helps individuals and businesses create and launch websites on the internet. In simple terms, hosting is what allows your website to exist online and be accessible to people around the world. Bluehost was founded in 2003, and over the years it has grown into one of the most recognized names in the hosting industry. Today, it hosts millions of websites and domains globally, making it one of the largest providers in the space. One of the reasons Bluehost became so popular is a strong integration with WordPress. In fact, Bluehost is one of the hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress itself, which makes it especially appealing to bloggers, creators, and small businesses that want to build their sites using WordPress. But Bluehost is no longer just a traditional hosting service. Over the past few years, the company has evolved into a complete website building platform. It now offers tools that helps beginners create websites quickly without needing technical knowledge. In short, Bluehost positions itself as an all-in-one platform where you can buy a domain name, you can build a website, host it, and manage everything from one dashboard. So let us talk about the main features now. The AI-powered website builder. One of the standard features is Bluehost's AI website builder. Instead of starting from scratch, the platform asks a few questions about your website and automatically generates a design tailored to your needs. And this helps beginners launch a professional-looking website much faster. You can also get customizable templates and drag and drop elements to edit the pages easily. And of course, you can request experts' help to design your websites to taste. Then there's WordPress integration. Bluehost is highly optimized for WordPress. It offers one-click WordPress installation, automatic updates, and hosting environments designed specifically for WordPress performance. This makes it a great choice for bloggers, content creators, and businesses using WordPress as their website platform. Next is free domain name. Another major advantage is that Bluehost includes a free domain name for the first year with most hosting plans. And of course, for the ones that are not free, they're fairly affordable. Next is the free SSL certificates. Security is a big priority for any website, and Bluehost includes a free SSL certificate with its hosting plans. Of course, over time, you can upgrade to a premium SSL certificate option. This ensures that your website uses secure HTTPS encryption, protecting user data and helping build trust with visitors. Next is the e-commerce support. If you want to start an online store, Bluehost also integrates with WooCommerce. This allows you to sell products online, accept payments, manage inventory, and create product pages directly from your website. Some plans also include additional e-commerce features like store analytics and promotional tools. Then we have the security and backup options. Bluehost includes several security features to protect your website, such as free SSL encryption, malware scanning options, automated backups, and domain privacy protection. These tools help keep your website secure and ensure that you can restore your site if anything goes wrong. So what is the pricing like? Bluehost has a standard pricing plan, an high performance plan, a commerce plan, a VPS plan, a dedicated, and a cloud plan. So with the standard pricing plan, there's a starter plan where you save about 60% when you need just one site at $3.99 per month. Now, this is the case if you are paying for 36 months, that's 3 years, if you're committing to that much. But if you're doing for 12 months, it is $4.99 per month. And as I earlier mentioned, you get the free domain for the first year, the free SSL, and a couple of other bonuses. The business plan is $7.99 per month, and the e-commerce essentials is $16.99 per month. What are the pros and cons of using Bluehost? We start with the pros. First, Bluehost is very beginner friendly, making it easy for anyone to launch a website without technical skills. Second, it offers excellent WordPress integration, which is perfect for bloggers and content creators. Third, it includes important features like free domain registration, SSL security, and AI website building tools. And fourth, the starting prices are relatively affordable, especially for beginners that are launching their first website. Now here are the cons. One downside is the higher renewal pricing. It's quite affordable at first, but when you're renewing, the prices are high. Another drawback is that some features like backups and advanced security may require paid add-ons. For example, the code guard backup includes some kind of add-ons. So having considered all this, is Bluehost still one of the best website builders in 2026? Well, for many users, the answer is yes. Bluehost stands out because it combines web hosting, website building tools, domain registration, and security features into one simple platform. Of course, it's not perfect. Renewal pricing and add-ons can increase long-term costs, and larger businesses may eventually need more specialized hosting solutions. But overall, Bluehost offers a strong combination of affordability, simplicity, reliability, and flexibility. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hostinger, SiteGround, and Wix. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.